How to extend Zoom meeting time limit. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can extend that 40 minutes time limits of Zoom. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. So the normal Zoom time meeting is 40 minutes. If you would like to arrange a meeting more than 40 minutes, then here is what you need to do to get it. Tap open your Zoom application from your device and get logged into your Zoom account. From here, tap on More in your bottom right corner. At the top page, you will see Upgrade Now. Tap on Zoom Space Pro. Getting Pro will enable you to ditch the 40-minute time and will enable you to have hourly meetings. Now, in order to have this plan, tap on the Try Free for 30 days or you can pay by today. Tap on Add Credit or Debit Card. Here, enter your card information and tap on to save. With other features, you will also get unlimited meetings, 30 hours each, AI companion, assign host and co-host, and cloud recording. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.